today's video, I'd like to show you a little trick that I discovered for the Git dialog here in PHPStorm. By default, it seems that this is what the dialog looks like. So it will show you the existing commits and other information like that. But if you've made a change to your file, like I have here, it doesn't show up down here. So what I found myself doing is going, okay, how do I commit this file from the UI? And what I discovered is that if you go into the settings using Command comma, and then go under version control, under commit, if you deselect this use non-modal commit interface, it will change the way that this looks down here. And now you've got a list of your files with your default change list. I find that much more convenient because now if I want to commit one file, I can right click it and do things like commit. Hopefully this will help you because I showed this in my last video, and if anyone tried to follow along and didn't see this same dialog at the bottom, that's why. So just uncheck the non-modal. Okay, as a quick follow-up before ending this video, I would like to show you that there is actually a way to do it from the non-modal. And I just discovered it myself because I thought, okay, I guess I didn't do enough research here. Let me actually figure this out. And so before ending the video, I definitely want to show you that there's more than one way to do this. So I'm going to switch the setting back to use non-modal. Okay, so now we're looking at this way again. If you right click on this file up here and go git commit file, the dialog that was down underneath is now over on the left. So that is the commit dialog. And so now you can do the things that you could do at the bottom in the other mode. So you could assign a keyboard shortcut that would pop this up. Of course, you could move the commit dialog window somewhere else if you wanted to. You can see here that they've got a shortcut on it of command, I think that's O, it might be 0, I can't tell. It's a little ambiguous, but what I'm going to do to find out is just minimize this and hit Command O. Okay, it's not Command O. I'll hit Command 0. There you go. But you could choose to do a different keystroke if you wanted to. In my previous video, we did Command G and then another keystroke. You could do Command G, Command C in order to bring up the commit dialog. So that's one way you could choose to do that. Just giving you options here because, hey, there's more than one way to accomplish the same task. So hopefully if you choose to use this non-modal, that will help you a little bit. And if you do choose to use the modal, that was what the original intent of the video was. But you know what? We're all learning all the time. And I just learned something in the process of showing this to you. So, hey, I accomplished my goal because you don't really know something until you can teach it. So what I found out today was that I didn't know as much as I thought I did, but guess what? Now I do, and you do too. Have a great day.